Hi everyone and welcome to Creative Living. My name is Miranda and I love to do DIYs and home decor projects using Dollar Tree materials just like in this video. I've done a three-piece canvas set with zebra print. You could actually make this a five-piece if you wanted to. I love the zebra print. I was on Wayfair and came across a three-piece set, and that inspired me to check out a couple of other ones. And then I seen something at Dollar Tree, and I just couldn't believe it. And I said, I've just got to turn that into a canvas. I think you're going to be really surprised when you see what this really is. I picked up 3 placemats that you would use for your dining room table. Dollar Tree has these on the aisle where you can find the glassware and Tupperware. They're at the very end, sitting next to some matching coasters. So all I done was use Mod Podge and a paintbrush that has a pretty thin tip and a thick body. So when I press down on the brush and put pressure on it, my brush would cover the wide areas of the zebra lines. And then if I picked up off the pressure, I could just use the tip of the paintbrush covering the thinner areas of the zebra stripes. So you don't have to be perfect. I just followed the lines the best that I could, and I did cross over the lines quite a bit. And I'll show you how I kind of cleaned that up and made it a little sharper. I would do a couple of white zebra stripes using iridescent glitter, and I would, just do like maybe 2 at a time and then shake it off and make sure the Mod Podge is completely dry before you move to your next color. So just let it sit for about 30 minutes, because if it's wet, then obviously your black glitter will get mixed in with your iridescent. I kept a dry paintbrush beside me so that I could kind of dust off the glitter in between colors. I also use this dry brush to sharpen my lines a little more in places where I went over. So you can just kind of go over it and the glitter would just kind of pop off. I just repeated the same steps with the black glitter, doing a couple of stripes at a time and shaking the glitter off. Rather than using Mod Podge over the glitter to prevent the glitter from shedding when I was finished, I just used a little bit of hairspray and I just sprayed, the very top of it. And actually, someone recommended trying that, and so far it's working great. Again, just allow that to dry. And in the meantime, I used a white piece of foam board and I traced out the placemats and then cut out my outline with a pair of scissors. I made sure to remove the stickers and I used E6000 and I just kind of spread that around with a napkin. I thought I was ready to put some command strips on and we're done. But I did have to touch up just the edges with a little bit of hot glue. And I didn't really think about this, but the hot glue and this material, I mean, it just really grabbed, and you could totally use just hot glue if you wanted to. I would recommend applying the hot glue directly on the foam board and not the placemat. I wouldn't want this to melt on you. But yeah, so after that, I put my command strips on and I was ready to hang it on the wall. Alright y'all, so that is it. And if you did like this idea, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in the next video, which is not a DIY. I have a video coming out. Thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. And I'm actually sharing a very personal story with you guys that I never in a million years thought that I would have the courage to talk about what I'm going to be talking about. So I hope to see you in that video, but if not, I really appreciate you watching this one, and I'll see you soon again. Y'all have a very wonderful and blessed day. Bye, y'all. This is a quote from Shireen Robinson, and hers says, "A person that is honest with themselves never fails." I love that. Thank you so much for sharing your quote with us, Shireen. And if you know of a quote that has inspired you and you'd like to leave it with us, do so in the comments and I'll be sure to share it in a video.